Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Math Sub. I am going to discuss some concepts and questions thereof related to chapter 2 inverse trigonometric function. Now come out to point here. Here I shall write some concept related to inverse trigonometric function. If I say let a function be y equal to sin theta, implies that theta equal to sin inverse y. Y equal to sin theta implies that theta equal to sin inverse y. Y equal to sin theta is a sin a function. Theta equal to sin inverse y. Sin inverse y is an inverse trigonometric function. Sin inverse y is an inverse trigonometric function. Here I shall write function domain. Here write range. If I take a function sin inverse x, then domain will be close interval -1, 1 close interval, and range will be close interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2 close interval. If I write here cos inverse x, then domain will be -1, 1, range will be close interval 0, pi close interval. If I write here tan inverse x, then domain will be capital R. Here capital R is the set of real numbers. Tan inverse x equal to its domain will be capital R. Capital R is the set of real number. Then range will be close interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2 close interval minus here write 0. If I write here cot inverse x, no, this is wrong. Tan inverse x domain will be capital R and range will be open interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2 open interval. Cot inverse x will have its domain capital R and range will be open interval 0, pi open interval. Now come out to here cosec inverse x. Cosec inverse x, then domain will be open interval minus infinite, -1 close interval union close interval 1, infinite open interval. Cosec inverse x domain will be open interval minus infinite, -1 close interval union close interval 1 comma infinite open interval. Then its range will be close interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 close interval minus in curly bracket 0. Now here I shall write sec inverse x. Sec inverse x. In case of s sec inverse x, domain will be minus infinite comma minus 1 close interval union close interval 1 comma infinite open interval. Same as cosec inverse. Then its range will be sec inverse x. So I shall take here opposite of sec inverse x, cos inverse x. So its range will be close interval 0 comma pi close interval minus in curly bracket pi by 2 curly bracket close. This thing you have to remember. Here you can write x is available here. So here I have written y equal to sin x. If I write here y equal to sin x, then x equal to, it will become sin inverse y. Sin inverse y. If you don't write like this, so what to do here? X inverse sin x equal to sin inverse y. So here it will become sin inverse, in place of x I shall write sin inverse y. So what to do next? This is the common sense implied that it can be written as minus pi by 2. Here since closed interval is available. For closed interval you can write less than equal to. Here one term I shall write here, that is x less than pi by 2. Principal value branch, you can say principal value branch. The principal value branch sin inverse x, the value of x must be minus pi by 2 less than equal to x less than equal to pi by 2. In the similar way, you can write here, imply that 0 less than equal to x less than equal to pi. Again I shall write, imply that minus pi by 2 less than x less than pi by 2. Again here we shall write 0 less than x less than pi. Again I shall write, imply that minus pi by 2 less than equal to x less than equal to pi by 2, but x is equal to not 0. Again in this case I shall write, imply that 0 close interval is there, less than equal to x less than equal to pi, but x is not equal to pi by 2. These are the some concepts. Just review this concept. Here I have written y equal to sin x. The x equal to sin inverse y it will become. So if I put here x equal to Sine inverse a value of y, I shall put here sine inverse x, sine x. So here just remember y equal to sine x, y equal to sine x. So x equal to this sign will go in left hand side, here it will become sine inverse y. Put the value of y equal to sine x. So here I have put y equal to sine x. So sine inverse and sine x both will be cancelled out, it will become x equal to x. When it will become equal to x, when this sine inverse or sine will be cancelled out, or x will become x. When it will become, then minus pi by 2 less than equal to x less than equal to pi by 2. This is a principal value branch. Principal value branch. The x by x, the value of x must be equal to minus pi by 2, or value of x must be equal to pi by 2, or value of x will be greater than minus pi by 2 or less than value of x must be less than pi by 2. अगर this condition is there, then x equal to sin inverse x bracket में sin x, sin inverse sin x both will be cancelled, will get here x. When this condition is available, this is principal value branch. This is known as principal value branch of sin inverse. साइन इनवर्स का प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच, पीवीबी मतलब प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच. तो ये दिस कंडीशन इज देयर. तो हियर यू कैन लोकेट दिस वन इज देयर. तो इफ दिस कंडीशन इज देयर, देन विल गेट साइन इनवर्स एक्स. साइन इनवर्स एक्स. तो साइन इनवर्स एक्स विल गेट वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स मस्ट बी लाइक दिस. साइन इनवर्स वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स will put. These are the some concept you must remember. In another way I shall explain. In another way, if I put here y equal to sin theta, the implied that theta equal to sin inverse y, it will become implied that put the value of y equal to sin theta. So here I shall write theta equal to sin inverse value of I put here sin theta. Will get here only equal to theta. So again you will get when minus pi by 2 less than equal to theta less than equal to pi by 2, if this condition is available. So if this condition is available, we will get like this. Sin inverse x, sin inverse x. So again you can write here sin inverse y. If you write here sin inverse y, so here you will get y. Y. Again, if you put here y, the cos inverse y, so here you will get y. If you put here y, so here you will get y. If you put here y, again you will get here y. If you put here y, so you will get here y, again y. If you put here y, so here you will get y. Here you will get y. Like this you will get. Sin inverse y. The sin inverse y, put the value of here y. Y equal to sin theta. Y equal to sin theta. So this value will get here this one y equal to sin theta. So theta is equal to sin inverse y. Theta is equal to sin inverse y. So when this theta y is equal to I put here sin theta. So sin cut it theta. Theta belong to this one. So here we shall write only theta. What will do here? Theta. In place of here y here theta. Put here theta. Put here theta. Theta. Put here also theta. Put here theta. Put here theta. Put here theta. So here this one is that. So just sin inverse y. Domain will be close interval minus 1, 1 close interval. Range will be close interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 close interval. Principal value branch will be minus pi by 2 less than equal to theta less than equal to pi by 2. The value of theta you will get if this condition is that, then you will get sin inverse in place of y I put sin theta. You will get here only theta. When the principal value branch is this one, the sin inverse bracket में sin theta equal to theta. Sin inverse or sin both will be cancelled out. Theta equal to theta it will become when the principal value branch will be like this. Value of theta must be equal to minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 or less. Like this you can write. Again this can be written as cos inverse cos theta comes out to be theta. When cos inverse cos both will be cancelled out, theta equal to theta you will get if this condition is available. Now come out to here tan inverse y, or what will do this condition again you will get tan inverse tan theta equal to theta. This condition you will get tan inverse tan theta. Tan inverse tan will be controlled, you will get theta equal to theta if this condition is available. Again in this case you can write very well implied that cot inverse bracket में cot theta equal to theta it will become when this principal value branch is this one, and like this one will be reflected. So what result you have got? This means that y equal to sin theta, y equal to sin theta. So here you will get in bracket y equal to sin theta, y equal to sin theta, then theta equal to sin inverse y, this value will get. So just I shall omit this one, not required. Omit this one. This one not required. So only this value we have got. Over here you will get y equal to cos theta. Again here you will get y equal to tan theta. Y equal to sin theta. sin inverse y, theta is equal to sin inverse y is equal to cos theta, theta is equal to cos inverse y is equal to tan theta, theta is equal to tan inverse y. Here again you will get y is equal to cot theta. The theta is equal to cot inverse y. Like this we shall remember. Now I shall take question. Question I am going to take here. Exercise 2.1 I shall mention here. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Here this is NCERT 12 mathematics. NCERT 12th mathematics. Mathematics. NCERT 12 mathematics I have got. So exercise 2.1. Question number 1 I have taken equal to question number 1 I am going to mention here. Just remember, question number 1, find the principal value of the function. Find question number 1. Just I shall note down from the textbook what is question number 1. Question number 1 says, find the principal value of the function. Find the principal value of the function. Find the principal value of the function. Question is, question number 1 I have taken. Just wait for a while. Sin inverse in bracket minus 1 over 2. Sin inverse minus 1 over 2. This question. What to do? Let us see. Here write solution. Here you can write very well. Let theta equal to sin inverse minus 1 over 2. What will get? Implied that minus 1 over 2 equal to sin theta. Let theta equal to sin inverse in bracket minus 1 over 2 bracket close. Minus 1 over 2 equal to sin theta we shall get. What we will get? Again I shall write here. Sin theta equal to minus 1 over 2. So, implied that sin theta equal to minus 1 over 2. In place of 1 over 2, I shall write sin pi by 6. Pi by 6, pi means 180 degree. So sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 over 2. So we shall write again here, implied that sin theta equal to sin minus pi by 6. Because you know the formula, sin inverse in bracket minus theta equal to minus sin inverse this one. This is the formula. Sin inverse in bracket minus theta equal to minus sin inverse theta. So on the same pattern, sin theta equal to minus pi minus sine pi by 6. Sine theta is equal to sine in bracket minus pi by 6. So this sine will be cancelled out. So what we'll do here, implied that sine theta equal to sine minus pi by 6. This time this sign will be cancelled out. We will get here theta equal to minus pi by 6. When minus pi by 2 less than equal to theta less than equal to pi by 2. This is principal value branch. The principal value branch, this is PVB. This is PVB. Principal value branch. The value of theta must be equal to minus pi by 2 or theta must be equal to pi by 2. So just think over. Here value of theta you have got minus pi by 6 means minus 30 degree. Minus 30 degree means minus 30 degree will fall in this principal value branch. So hence answer will be, hence principal value of sin inverse minus 1 over 2, the principal value of sin inverse in bracket minus 1 over 2 bracket close will be minus pi by 6. Minus pi by 6. This will be the correct answer you have got. Answer you have got theta equal to minus pi by 6. Theta equal to minus pi by 6. That will be the correct answer you have got. This is the proper way. Just I shall check the answer from the key point whether this answer is correct or not. Correct answer you have got. The principal value of sin inverse in bracket minus 1 over 2 is minus pi by 6 bracket close full stop. This will be the correct answer you have got. Till now, okay guys, thanks.